Hi, my name's Eric. In today's video, I'm going to be checking out the Technica ATR2100x USB/XLR Dynamic Microphone with a headphone amp built into the microphone and a 24-bit 192 kHz recording resolution. Is it any good? Let's find out. Once in the box, you'll find a quick start guide and an end user limited warranty card. Under a thin piece of foam, you will find a XLR cable. Then you'll find a USB-C to USB-A cable that is 6.6 feet, a USB-C to USB-C cable that is the same length, a microphone clip, and then a 5/8" tabletop tripod that, in this configuration compared to the 2500X, is actually more usable because you can get the mic closer to your mouth. You will also get the ATR2100X itself. First impression, very bottom heavy. This makes sense since everything is basically on the bottom of the microphone except for an on-off switch. So this switch that I thought was an on-off switch is actually just a mute switch, so you can still hear everything that's going on, but it'll... the bottom, you have the headphone control dial, then you have the XLR port, the Type-C port, and the 3.5mm headphone jack. It's not bad, it sounds a little bit too bright for me though. And jumping right into a comparison, we have the Shure MV7 connected over USB to my iPad Air, and this is what it sounds like compared to the Technica ATR2100X. And now with the ATR2100X connected over XLR to my Tascam DR44WL portable recorder. I am currently monitoring. My level's coming in around -10, so I can boost it later in post. This is what the microphone sounds like over XLR. And now with the levels coming in about the same on the Tascam DR44WL, we have the Shure PGA57. It is a $60 microphone, if I'm remembering correctly. And this is what this sounds like compared to the ATR2100X. And conclusion time. Would I recommend this microphone? Maybe. If you're starting out and you have no other gear, this does allow you to record decently high quality audio right out of the box. The background noise rejection is good, as you can tell by me talking into the base of the microphone. You probably heard nothing of that. The XLR port works pretty well. I feel like it changes the coloration of the microphone a little bit, but that might just be me, and I am only listening to this back on these little earbuds. So yeah, I'll catch you next week with another video.